Hi everyone, welcome
Hi.
back to another round of phonics, and we're looking at the R control vowel OR that says OR. What does it say? OR.
Or,
What does it say? OR.
or.
And this time we're going to go ahead and do our blending in our head since it's day 4 and looking at those syllable breaks to help you out with your reading. All right, here we go. Teachers, ready to go? 3, 2, syllable blend, 1. Torrent.
Torrent. Torrent.
Oh, sorry.
Or,
Correct.
correct. Correct.
Correct. Horror.
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 Beautiful. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Torrent.
Torrent.
Correct.
Correct.
And horror.
Horror.
And teachers, what is something that you noticed or a pattern that you may have found in that line? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
I noticed that all the words have a double R in the middle.
A double R in the middle. Would you like to add more to that, Ms. T?
I also noticed that this OR sound is spelled ORR, and the break is in between the double R's that Miss Hernandez found.
Yes, so actually you're right. It's not just the double R that we're looking at here. We're looking at the OR pattern. So we see OR, but then we're adding a consonant R, but we're not saying that OR is spelled with a double R. This is just showing that the word has a double R in it, and then the break is in between. Beautiful job, job well done. Let's go ahead and jump it line 2. Ready? Syllable? Blow.
Torch.
Torch.
Blow
Blow torch.
Syllable?
Rain.
Storm. Brainstorm.
Brainstorm.
Last one?
Passport.
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 Beautiful. So we read for fluidity. Ready?
Blowtorch.
Blowtorch.
Brainstorm.
Storm and
Passport.
passport. And teachers, what is a pattern that you may have found in this line? Yes, Ms. T?
I see the OR spelled the OR sound spelled OR near the end of the word.
Yes, so we're taking a look at the OR spelled OR, and it is also found at the end of the word, or actually it's found in the last syllable. Very good. Anything else that you may have found, Ms. Hernandez?
These are 2-syllable words, but they're also compound words.
Yes, awesome. You found the little extra hidden thing that I added into this line. You're right. These are all compound words, 2-syllable words. Let's jump to that next line. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Historic.
Historic.
Forgiveness.
Forgiveness.
Short-sighted.
Short-sighted. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Historic.
Forgiveness. Short-sighted. Okay, and thumb to your chest, teachers. Figured out the pattern there. Yes, Miss T, what did you notice?
The OR sound makes the OR spelling makes the OR sound.
Yes, so we have the OR in each of these words. And remember, OR says OR. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
Now these are 3-syllable words.
3-syllable words. Yes, you're right. Is there anything extra that you may have found? Oh, I think I did trick the teachers.
I think you did.
All right, so I'm going to tell you what it is. Each of these words has a high frequency word in it.
Ooh.
So all of these words have a high frequency word hidden in there. Some of them are blendable, like the word his and for, but for the most part, they're like the word sight, where you have to know it. You need to snap it. All right, let's go ahead and jump into that sentence. And remember, boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and think like we're detectives, and we're thinking about which words in here have the or spelled O-R. And teachers, not thumb to your chest, fingers, show me with your hand, your fingers, how many words did you find that have the or? Oh, okay, 4. Let's start with Ms. Hernandez. What's the first word you found?
I see brainstorm.
Yes. And actually, brainstorm has 2 of them. What else did you, oh no, has 1 of them. Never mind. Did I? Yeah, 1. I'm visually impaired right now. Miss T.
Story.
Sorry. Miss Hernandez.
Tornado.
Tornado. Miss T.
Storm.
Storm. Very good. All right. So teachers, can you reread that to model how they are supposed to be said? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Brainstorm. Story.
Story.
Tornado, and storm. All right, students, you heard the teacher's model for you, so the rest of it should be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I will
brainstorm
a
a
story
story
about
about
the
the
tornado
tornado
in
in
the
the
storm.
storm. And Miss Yakimowicz isn't here. Miss Hernandez, can you reread that for fluidity, please?
Sure. I will brainstorm a story about the tornado in the storm.
Wow, beautifully done, Miss Hernandez. And Miss T, can you scoop it for us?
I will brainstorm a story about the tornado in the storm.
Beautifully done. And Miss Hernandez, back to you. It is not decoding time. It is
Encoding time.
encoding time. Boys and girls, take that whiteboard marker and whiteboard out, or if you have pencil and paper, use that as well. If you're on Seesaw, you can go ahead and hit the plus journal and create your writing work there. All right, teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest. And boys and girls, if you need the scaffold, go ahead and hit the pause button and use that time. All right, here we go. Looking at the first word, and the first word on this set is passport. What is it? Passport. P-a-s. Pass, and then port. Passport. Passport. Show me. Yes, and I indicated double finger on this sound, so it's a double S there. Very good. Next word is snorkel. What's the word? Snorkel. Here we go. Or snore. Coal. Or snorkel. Show me. Beautiful, beautiful. And it's not a C here, it's a K. All right, didn't get tricked there. The word is shortcut. What's the word? Shortcut. Short, cut. Shortcut. Show me. Beautiful. And that's your compound word snuck in there. And the next word is deform. What is it? Deform. D-E-D or form. Deform. Show me. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Next word. Ready? Compound word. The word is popcorn. What is it? Popcorn. Pop or corn. Popcorn. Show me. Beautifully done. Thank you. All right. Next word is transport. What is it? Transport. Transport. Show me. Beautifully done. And that word, there's a hidden word in there. What is it on that transport? Sport, you guys, sport. All right, next word is resort. What is it? Resort. Resort. Show me. Excellent, excellent job. And next word, I gave you some of those spellings for you. The word is calorie. What is it? Calorie. Cal, or, and then E, calorie. Show me. Beautifully done, beautifully done. Okay, I only gave you 2 3-syllable count words. Ready? The first word is organism. What is it? Organism. Organism. Show me. Perfect spelling. Here we go. Last word on this set is horizon. What is it?
Horizon.
Horizon. Ready? H or hor I z ah. I did ah because it's a schwa. All right. H or I z ah. Horizon. Show me. Perfect spelling there. Let's look at that sentence. Remember, boys and girls, with the sentence, if you need the sentence frame, hit the pause button, write it down. Give yourself that opportunity to write the scaffold. If you don't need it, go ahead and write it as I say it or dictate it back to you. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest. All right, here we go. The word is I, or sentence, I ate the popcorn, pop, or corn, popcorn, during the horror, ready? Or hor, or roar, film, film. I ate the popcorn during the horror film. Go ahead and show me, teachers. Beautifully done. You remember to capitalize that I. You ended with a period. Job well done. Teachers, great job. Students, thank you so much for trying your best. And tomorrow, tune in for our last round of the R control vowel spelled O-R, saying or. All right. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.